Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to lock Facebook Messenger on your smartphone. So you can lock your Facebook Messenger with fingerprint or face recognition. So first of all, you need to open your app, then tap here left up corner on your screen. Tap here the gear icon you can see here. Scroll down. You can see here the option privacy and safety. Simply tap here app lock. So once you turn this on, then you will see two options, fingerprint and face. So you have to look on your camera to verify your biometrics, and it is fingerprint, so you can use your fingerprint here. So actually this way you can secure your messenger.